What happens to your body when you drink turmeric milk? Turmeric milk, often referred to as golden milk, has gained popularity in recent years as a health-promoting beverage. This warm, golden-hued drink is traditionally made by blending milk with turmeric, often accompanied by other spices like cinnamon, ginger, and black pepper. But what exactly happens to your body when you incorporate turmeric milk into your diet? Let's explore the effects, benefits, and considerations of this ancient remedy. 1. Anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is a fundamental biological response designed to protect the body from injury or infection, functioning as the first line of defense in the body's healing process. This intricate process involves the activation of immune cells and the release of signaling molecules that target the site of injury or infection, allowing the body to begin its recovery. While inflammation is a necessary part of healing, it can become problematic if it persists for too long or occurs without a clear underlying cause. When this response becomes chronic, it can wreak havoc on the body, leading to tissue damage, persistent discomfort, and a cascade of health complications that can significantly impact a person's quality of life. Chronic inflammation is now widely recognized as a root cause of many modern health issues. It is linked to a variety of diseases, including arthritis, which involves inflammation in the joints, diabetes, a condition influenced by prolonged low-grade inflammation, cardiovascular diseases, including hypertension and heart attacks, neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease, and even cancer, which can stem from the unchecked cellular changes associated with long-term inflammation. This extensive web of health problems demonstrates the complex nature of inflammation and the need to address it early and effectively. Understanding inflammation's impact has underscored the importance of finding ways to manage it. Managing chronic inflammation is essential not only for alleviating symptoms of existing diseases, but also for preventing new health conditions from developing. This is where natural remedies like turmeric milk come into the picture. With its potent anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric milk has become a popular choice for those looking for a holistic, natural way to combat inflammation and support overall health. It offers a promising alternative to conventional medications by targeting the underlying biochemical pathways that regulate the inflammatory response and offering multifaceted protection for the body. This is where the powerful anti-inflammatory benefits of turmeric milk come into play, largely attributed to its primary active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is a polyphenol with robust anti-inflammatory properties that extend beyond surface-level relief. It addresses the biochemical pathways that underlie inflammation, making turmeric milk not just a comforting beverage but a functional food with profound therapeutic potential. Curcumin operates as a highly effective natural anti-inflammatory agent, working to combat inflammation at both acute and chronic levels. When you drink turmeric milk, curcumin targets the root causes of inflammation by modulating key biochemical pathways. It suppresses the activity of pro-inflammatory molecules such as cytokines, chemokines, and enzymes. These molecules are central to the inflammatory process, and their unchecked activity can contribute to the progression of diseases. Curcumin also inhibits NFB, a critical protein complex that regulates inflammation, offering a multifaceted approach to reducing inflammation throughout the body. Scientific studies have demonstrated curcumin's effectiveness in mitigating symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. In fact, research suggests that curcumin's potency may rival that of over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications, such as NSAIDs, but without the risk of gastrointestinal damage or other adverse side effects. This makes turmeric milk a particularly appealing option for those seeking natural remedies for inflammation. In addition to addressing existing conditions, turmeric milk can act as a preventative measure for individuals at risk of inflammatory-related diseases. By incorporating turmeric milk into your daily routine, you may experience a reduction in stiffness and swelling, enhanced joint mobility, and an overall improvement in physical comfort and quality of life. Despite its numerous benefits, curcumin's effectiveness can be limited by its low bioavailability, meaning it is not easily absorbed into the bloodstream. To address this, recipes for turmeric milk often include black pepper, which contains piperine. Piperine has been shown to increase curcumin's absorption by up to 2,000%, significantly enhancing its bioavailability. Furthermore, Combining turmeric with healthy fats found in coconut milk or almond milk can further optimize curcumin absorption. This thoughtful preparation ensures that your body reaps the full therapeutic benefits of turmeric milk. For athletes and physically active individuals, turmeric milk can be particularly beneficial. It reduces exercise-induced inflammation and promotes faster muscle recovery, making it an excellent post-workout drink. The addition of ginger, another potent anti-inflammatory spice, can amplify the effects, providing comprehensive support for the body's recovery and inflammatory response. By addressing both acute and chronic inflammation, turmeric milk emerges as a versatile and holistic solution for promoting health and well-being. Whether consumed to alleviate symptoms of existing conditions or as a preventative health measure, this golden beverage offers a wealth of benefits, making it a valuable addition to your dietary routine. Improved digestive health. Turmeric milk can significantly enhance the body's ability to process food and maintain a healthy gastrointestinal tract. One of the most remarkable benefits of this golden drink lies in its ability to support optimal digestion. With its natural properties and synergistic ingredients, turmeric milk acts as a gentle yet effective remedy for common digestive issues. Let's delve into how turmeric milk supports your digestive system, its benefits for nutrient absorption, and its role in alleviating common digestive disorders. One of the primary ways turmeric milk promotes digestive health is by stimulating bile production in the liver. Bile is a digestive fluid secreted by the liver and stored in the gallbladder. It plays a vital role in breaking down dietary fats and aiding the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins such as A, D, E, and K. Turmeric, a natural bile stimulator, enhances this process by facilitating optimal fat breakdown and improving nutrient availability for absorption in the small intestine. Drinking turmeric milk supports this natural process, ensuring that your body receives all the nutrients it needs from the food you consume. This mechanism allows your body to optimize its ability to process food and draw energy from every meal. A well-functioning digestive system means that vital nutrients are effectively absorbed and utilized by the body to sustain energy and support bodily processes. For those struggling with malnutrition, poor dietary choices, or imbalanced digestion, regular consumption of turmeric milk can reverse these challenges by improving bile secretion and nutrient bioavailability. Turmeric milk's anti-inflammatory properties make it an effective natural remedy for alleviating common gastrointestinal disturbances. Many people struggle with bloating, gas, and indigestion, especially after consuming heavy or processed foods. Fortunately, turmeric milk addresses these discomforts by easing inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract and allowing the digestive organs to function without obstruction. The natural compounds in turmeric work by modulating inflammation in the gut lining, which can often become irritated due to poor dietary habits, stress, or chronic health conditions. Regular consumption of turmeric milk can soothe this irritation, providing relief from symptoms like bloating. The buildup of gas in the stomach and intestines can lead to pressure and discomfort. Turmeric milk can regulate digestive enzymes and promote gas elimination, reducing bloating. Gas. Excessive gas can be caused by a variety of factors, including an imbalance in gut bacteria. Turmeric milk's anti-inflammatory properties and regulation of digestion combat this issue by ensuring efficient food breakdown and smooth gas elimination. Indigestion. Indigestion often results from improper acid balance or food intolerance. Turmeric milk, with its ability to calm acid imbalances, allows the stomach to break down food more effectively. Acid reflux and heartburn. Acid reflux occurs when stomach acid flows back into the esophagus, leading to pain and discomfort. Turmeric milk can alleviate the symptoms by helping to balance stomach acidity and coat the esophageal lining. The soothing nature of turmeric milk allows it to work as a natural, non-invasive remedy that targets the root causes of digestive distress rather than merely masking symptoms. Chronic inflammatory conditions of the gastrointestinal tract, such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and gastritis, can severely impact a person's quality of life. These conditions are marked by inflammation of the gastrointestinal lining, which can lead to pain, discomfort, and changes in bowel movements. Fortunately, turmeric milk offers natural support in managing these conditions. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, possesses robust anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin inhibits the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines and other molecules that exacerbate inflammation, providing relief from the pain and discomfort associated with chronic gastrointestinal inflammation. For individuals suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, turmeric milk can reduce abdominal pain, bloating, and altered bowel habits by alleviating the underlying inflammation and soothing the gut lining. Gastritis. This condition involves inflammation of the stomach lining and leads to pain, indigestion, and discomfort. Turmeric milk helps calm this inflammation and protect the stomach lining from acid-related irritation. Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. Although these are more serious inflammatory conditions of the gastrointestinal tract, studies suggest that turmeric milk can complement conventional treatments by supporting gut health and reducing inflammation. By supporting the body's natural healing response and providing relief to the gastrointestinal lining, turmeric milk can offer a practical and gentle solution for individuals managing chronic digestive disorders. The gut microbiome refers to the vast community of microorganisms that reside in the digestive tract. These microorganisms, including both beneficial and harmful bacteria, work synergistically to process food, support the immune system, and prevent harmful pathogens from colonizing the gut. Maintaining a healthy and balanced gut microbiome is vital for digestion, immunity, and overall well-being. Research has shown that turmeric and its compounds can support gut microbiome balance by encouraging the growth of beneficial bacteria and suppressing harmful pathogens. Turmeric milk can act as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This, in turn, supports 1. Nutrient absorption. A balanced gut microbiome enhances the body's ability to extract nutrients from food. 2. Immune function. A significant portion of the immune system is located in the gut. A well-balanced microbiome helps strengthen immunity by protecting against harmful pathogens. 3. Reduced risk of digestive disorders. An imbalanced microbiome is linked to chronic health conditions like leaky gut syndrome and inflammatory bowel diseases. For individuals with digestive challenges or those exposed to high-stress lifestyles, incorporating turmeric milk into their diet can help restore balance to the gut microbiome and optimize digestive wellness. For individuals with lactose intolerance, consuming traditional dairy milk can cause discomfort and digestive issues such as gas, bloating, or diarrhea. Fortunately, turmeric milk can be made with a variety of plant-based alternatives, such as almond milk, oat milk, coconut milk, or rice milk, offering the same health benefits without the gastrointestinal distress. These plant-based options not only make turmeric milk accessible to individuals with lactose intolerance but also provide additional nutrients. For example, almond milk, a great source of vitamin E and low in calories. Coconut milk contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that support gut health and overall energy levels. Oat milk, a source of fiber, which supports healthy digestion. By selecting the appropriate milk base, turmeric milk can cater to different dietary restrictions while still supporting digestive health. Turmeric milk is a versatile and effective natural remedy that enhances digestive health by supporting bile production, promoting nutrient absorption, soothing inflammation, and supporting a balanced gut microbiome. Its ability to relieve common digestive complaints like gas, bloating, and indigestion makes it an excellent choice for anyone seeking natural relief from gastrointestinal discomfort. Additionally, its ability to be modified with plant-based alternatives makes it accessible for individuals with lactose intolerance or dietary restrictions. Whether you're combating chronic digestive issues or simply aiming to support your body's ability to process food more efficiently, turmeric milk offers both immediate and long-term benefits for improved gastrointestinal function. Incorporating this golden drink into your daily routine can provide a foundation for better digestive health and overall well-being. While turmeric milk is generally safe for most people, excessive consumption can lead to certain side effects. These may include upset stomach or diarrhea due to high doses of curcumin, risk of bleeding issues, as turmeric can act as a blood thinner, interaction with medications, including blood thinners and diabetes drugs. If you're pregnant, nursing, or on medication, consult a healthcare professional before adding turmeric milk to your routine. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and family, and subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and happy.